Hello everybody, today we are going to have 15 weekly report for our 60,000 euro project. What happened last week? Well, I took a trip to Venezia. We had a nice weather, it wasn't hot or cold, so it was just the right temperature. A ton of people. It was crowded like in a Manhattan in New York, but at least Venezia didn't smell so bad. This is the main square, Marco Polo. Here one coffee can cost you 20 euros plus, and if you are lucky, the main square can be even underwater. Here are famous boats. We call them gondola, not sure how it's in English, but yeah. 30-minute ride can cost you 80 euros. After trip, I check how I did in the last week, poker-wise, and I was shocked that it was actually my biggest losing week until now. But here you can check it. Nothing much to say, but I'm still okay with monthly results in April. April was awesome. In total, I made 8,300 euros with bonuses, strikebacks, stuff like that. So what's even more great about the April, I did this only on No Limit 100 and No Limit 200. So yeah, now when I'm going to rock No Limit 400, my level of expectation is going to be higher and higher and higher. So yeah, this is it. Have a nice week and see you next week. Bye bye.